guys, it's Jen. How you doing? I received this yesterday and I haven't opened it yet. Papergang by Oh Dear. The, what are we, June 2021 Papergang stationery subscription box from the UK. This box is so pretty. I am all about this current style that's all the rage. It's like very flat, basic shapes kind of thing. There's no like shading and things like that. I love, love, love it. Let us see. Ugh. Muscles. Hello, stationery lover. That part's so cute. All right. Let's see. This red paper. Designed by Sea Creatures. Creative duo Dan and Sarah are here to transport you to a tropical world of color and beauty. Ooh, okay, awesome. This is the first time I've gotten one that's from a design like team instead of an individual artist. Let us see. Bright red paper. Ooh. Oh, look at all these goodies. Okay, I'm gonna start with these because this is so exciting. Look at these rubber stamps. Cool. And a little ink pad. I want to say black, but it looks like it might be blue. I'm gonna try that. Hang on. Hang on, I need to try this. Oh, here we go. I got a little scrap of paper over here. Oh, that is definitely blue. Yes. Ooh, it's very juicy too. Look at that. It looks like super juicy. That was too juicy. Nice. Awesome. Okay. Very excited about those. I'm setting the other one over there because it's all gunky now. I got some pens. What are these? Let's see. What's it say they are? I use the gel pens really, 3 gel pens. 3 different designs and ink colors. Okay, cool, awesome. I use the rainbow ones. I've been using those a lot in my mail art, and I think they might be kind of the same brand. They kind of look like they're made the same, and they write really nice. They're really, really nice. So 3 gel pens. These are wait, are those stickers? Oh yes, they're washi stickers, so it was hard to see the cut. So 1, 2, 3, 4 sheets of washi stickers. Ah, those are nice. I love like this color combination right there. That's nice. What else? Ooh, ooh. Oh, look at those envelopes. Okay, so plain envelopes so you can decorate them yourself. Or plain cards so you can decorate them yourselves. And then the envelopes. I may just use the envelopes to send out for swaps and things. These envelopes are delicious. Look at those. Those are beautiful. Yes. Oh yeah, I'll definitely be sending mail out in those. Oh, and a big thing of paper. Notepad. There's the word I'm looking for. Great big honkin' notepad. That is a huge notepad. It's heavy too. I think that might be A5 size maybe? That's a common size like over in Europe and things. A5, yeah, A5 notepad. 85 sheets printed on sustainably sourced paper. 4 blank greeting cards. 4 funky envelopes in 4 different designs. 3 rubber stamps, 3 gel pens, and 4 washi sticker sheets. Wait, it didn't say the ink pad. Oh wait, it must say here. With the blue ink pad. Yeah, there we go. Awesome. So yeah, I really love this. This is really pretty. Love, love, love. Will definitely be used. Can't wait to use it. Might have to go do something with these envelopes right now. Like seriously. Yes. Awesome. Awesome. Yeah, so that's fantastic. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more Happy Mail videos, haul videos, let me know. Because yeah, I do the subscription boxes like this and the sticker, 4-Bear Sticker Club. But if you want to see more hauls, I mean, I go thrift shopping and stuff for like crafty stuff, journaling stuff, so let me know. Yeah, and if you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button and the little bell so YouTube notifies you when I post a new video. Great, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.